What puts your brain ahead of 99% of people? Knowledge, cognition, intelligence, IQ, nutrition, exercise. Let me tell you, it's mental health. Hello and welcome. My name is William and I am a researcher in sociology at the University of Warwick in the UK. I am not a psychologist, so take what I say with a grain of salt. I have worked with psychologists on social problems for the past 15 years. Most problems in this world come from unresolved mental health issues that people project on each other. Conflict in families, couples, between friends, in the workplace. So many conflicts could have been avoided. Not only if everyone heals, if everyone had even the tools to recognize different symptoms and different conditions so they could provide an appropriate response and support people. Nowadays, if you have a good mental health, you are in the top 1% of humanity. 1 in 4 people in Europe, in the US, is experiencing mental health troubles at any given year. From birth to midlife, it is estimated that around 80% of people will experience a mental health problem. And we're only talking about diagnosable conditions. Many traumatic experiences in life which are unprocessed leave residual wounds. And it causes people troubles in relationships, for progressing in life, because they're very, very hard to identify. They pass as normal. We see someone who is very often angry and we just say, no, this person has just an angry disposition. We see someone who is tired all the time and we just think, oh, maybe this person is just being lazy. But in fact, there could be some underlying conditions. If you take care of your mental health, you are in the top 1%. This is not backed by any statistics. This is just anecdotal. It is a metaphor to say that the state of people's mental health in the world is so bad that even being aware of your own mental health puts you ahead, because first, it means that you will be able to detect harmful situations and not be affected by them. You will be able to spot if someone is displaying any particular condition, and in that case, you'll be either able to support them, direct them, or just take your distances with them. It means that you will be able to navigate society and social conditions. You will be able to say the right thing at the right time. On my end, I had to heal from PTSD, chronic fatigue, depression, and suicidal thoughts, because I've been through things such as an abusive marriage, homelessness, burnout in the past 10 years. If I didn't heal from these, I wouldn't have been able to get married again, I wouldn't have been able to get out of homelessness, and I wouldn't be able to work again. And even if I look at the past, my ex-wife, who was verbally, physically, emotionally abusive, it was because she herself had unresolved problems. And if I knew that, perhaps I could have supported her and maybe I could have saved our marriage, or if not, I could have left earlier and avoided myself years of pain and hardship. Read about the topic, share with friends, and if you can afford it, never leave any condition untreated. These issues are so widespread that so many people are not even aware of them. I didn't realize I was in an abusive marriage until my ex-wife left me, and I searched what was happening and I figured out, okay, so this is what was happening. No amount of wealth, relationships, or success in this life means anything if you don't have the mental capacity to manage it. Don't subscribe to this channel. This is not a psychology channel. I do a very, very different job. I just wanted to share my reflections, my thought, hoping it can be useful. So thank you for watching, and again, take care of yourselves.